country or in any other situation in our country, the Home Minister would have resigned. Probably Mr. Amit Shah is the most incompetent Home Minister in independent India. Manipur happened, Delhi riots 2020 happened, Pahalgam happened, Pulwama happened. The country is in utter chaos. The Home Minister goes to Bihar and other places and openly says that Bangladeshis are coming in. Openly says terrorism is on the rise. Then what is he doing? In any other state, he would have been thrown out of the cabinet, in any other country. But he is indispensable because he shares all the secrets of Mr. Modi. I mean, why is he not being held accountable? Why is the Home Minister of India not being held accountable? Is he there only to dislodge state governments? Is he there only to do politics? If he is going to do only that, let him get back to his party fold. What is the point of being the Home Minister of India and at what cost? How many more lives should be lost to his incompetence?
Sir, you said directly Amit Shah only responsible.
Who is the Home Minister, sir? Is Mr. Rahul Gandhi the Home Minister? Is Mr. Kharge the Home Minister? How come that any time any of these incidents happen, the opposition has to answer? Then what is the BJP doing? What is the BJP government doing? How are people coming into India? Why are the borders so porous? How is all this happening? Have you got answers for Pahalgam yet? Have you got answers for Pulwama yet? Have you got answers for Manipur yet? How many times has the Prime Minister visited Manipur? What happened to Delhi? Yeah. And who's responsible then? Is the opposition responsible for this or the Home Minister?
Sir, yesterday.
अगर किसी को कहीं बुरा लगा है तो मैंने ऊपर एक फीडबैक फॉर्म रखा है, जो भी आपको लगा बुरा आप उस पर लिख देना और उस फॉर्म को फोल्ड करके फिर अपने गान में डाल